Hello, this is George. Welcome back to George Basics. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to buy Kishu Inu with very low gas fees, almost without a gas fee. So for buying Kishu Inu today, we will use Gate.io where we can buy Kishu Inu with almost no gas fees. So this is the best place to buy Kishu Inu with the best price. So watch the video until the end. Don't forget to click the like button and don't forget to subscribe. And one more important thing, I want to remind you that this is not a financial advice, it's just video tutorial how to buy this coin. And please do your own research before you decide to buy this coin. So we can begin our short video tutorial about how to buy Kishu Inu with very low gas fees. So first of all, you need to have Gate.io's account. If you don't have Gate.io's account, you can click the sign up link under the video in the comment section and first of all create an account on Gate.io. After you will have an account on Gate.io, then log into your account, and after that you need to buy USDT, because to buy Kishu Inu you need to swap USDT to it. First of all, let's check the market. Let's type Kishu Inu in the search bar. When we move to Kishu Inu's page, you will see that first of all we need to have USDT to buy Kishu Inu. So for that we need to go to buy crypto, choose one of the payment method. I prefer credit card. Go to credit card, for example, and here you should choose USDT. Go to search bar and type USDT, and in the left gap please type the amount of money you are going to pay. The 30 USD is minimum, so I will type 30 USD, and here you should choose one of the service providers. For me, Banksa is good, they have low fees. You can try any other from these options, or you can just try Banksa like me. Go to Banksa, and here you read that for 30 USD you will receive 28.28 USDT, and the fees are almost 60 cents. So fees are very low. You should tick this and go to purchase. Then you should click create order, fill the gaps with your personal information and finalize the payment. And after the payment you will have USDT on your balance. You can go to spot account, and here you will see the number of USDT you have on your balance. And after this moment we can buy Kishu Inu. Go to trade, click spot trading. Then in left you see the search bar. Here you should type Kishu and open Kishu to USDT, and down below you should type the amount of USDT you are going to pay to buy Kishu Inu. The minimum is 2 USDT, so I will buy 2 USDTs worth Kishu Inu on Gate.io. So type 2 USDT. In this gap you will see the amount of Kishu you will receive after you pay 2 USDT. So if everything is correct, then click buy and then click confirm order. Here you should type your fund pass, and you see we placed an order. We bought Kishu Inu on Gate.io with very low gas fees. Now we can check our wallet. Go to wallet and spot account, and here you will see your Kishu Inu balance. So that's all. I think that this is very simple. Everyone can do it. Personally, I think that Gate.io is the best crypto exchanger, and they have very simple platform. The trading on this platform is very easy and everyone can do it. And if you don't have Gate.io's account, I suggest you to make account on Gate.io and continue trading on Gate.io. So that's all I wanted to tell you in this video. Thank you for watching, thank you for clicking like button, thank you for subscribing. See you in the next video.